Yeah, I ain't crazy. I'm not losing it yet. Oh, it's the tiniest little red horse I've ever seen.
Kind of cool.
I guess no sense in netting them, really.
Sturgeon bait? Want to take a picture of them or what?
Nah. Seen one, you seen them all. Unless you want a picture.
No.
Those things can get big, eh?
Yeah, I've caught about a 5-pounder in leader. And there's 3 or 4 varieties of suckers too. Like, there's quite a few, eh?
White, long nose, quillback, silver horse, red horse, unless you categorize them under the same species. Sturgeon are technically just glorified sucker fish.
Yeah? There you go.
Yep, it's big.
No.
Yeah, get the net, it's big. It's dead weight.
Sturgeon again?
I think so.
Where's the net?
It's right here.
There you go.
It's big. It's freaking big.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep.
I see it.
Wait, how big is it? What the hell's going on?
8 pounds or so. Maybe 6 pounds.
Still a nice sturgeon.
Oh yeah.
I guess I got this super light rod, eh?
Yeah. It's a good size.
Hey,
though.
still a sturgeon's a sturgeon, man.
Fucking awesome, dude. That's not a baby.
Dude, that's a decent sturgeon.
It's not a baby at
It's
all.
not a big one.
Want me to
There
net her?
he's come, yeah, I'll net her. Keep her in the water. She's got one more in her, I feel. Got her? Wow. Nothing wrong with that at all, eh? That's what he came out here for.
In Ukraine.
YouTube. So no giant, but my first sturgeon of the year. I'm guessing 30-ish, high 30s. Here, yeah, we'll get that photo now. Okay.
Nice, dude.
First sturgeon of the year, there she goes.
Beauty.
That could have been a lot worse.
Oh.
I thought it was the bottom.
That's awesome, dude.
Well, that's my second walleye at the... Oh, there he goes. See you, bud. Wow. Yeah, I saw the freaking bend there.
Not a, I don't think it's a sturgeon though.
Oh.
Well, I don't know what it is actually. It's something.
No weight? It's so tough with that rod, eh? What's a decent walleye, man, eh? It's nice. I could think of worse things to catch.
Yeah, it's not bad. If I ate walleye, I would keep one actually. That's actually not bad, eh? I'm sure they're not horrible to eat, eh?
Out of the river,
I might.
it's fine, like in moderation. If you're like
I might
everyone
actually keep them.
if you're like everyone at Borden,
Yeah.
who keep absolutely everything,
But
that's
I mean, I know
probably not healthy.
I know people who have eaten like in down a liter.
I used to do it all the time.
I might keep them.
That's a perfect eater if you wanted to. It's moderation. It's not gonna hurt you. One. There you go. That works. He'll bleed out for you too there.
Nice.
I may not like fish and walleye, but they are the best eating fish in the
They're
world.
so good.
Nothing can take that away from them.
Got him?
Yep.
Walleye?
I think it's another sturgeon.
With the way it's fighting?
It's just dead weight. No, it's not a sturgeon. I don't know what it is. It's just dead weight though.
Not really coming in here. Could be
No.
a big walleye, eh?
If it's a big walleye, I'm gonna be kind of happy. It's fighting like a big something.
What?
What the fuck?
It's a good thing you didn't want to come here at first. That can't be a walleye.
Dude, it's like steelheading all over again, right into the current. Bastard.
We're using beads, dude.
It's what color bead do you have on? What kind of jig?
Yeah, you don't want to horse this one with that rod.
Oh, fuck, it's big, dude.
Bigger than the last one?
It has to be. Oh, I see the pickerel rig. And right back out it goes.
It's a 10-pound sturgeon for sure, or more.
I can see the tip of the pickerel rig.
Oh, it's a sturgeon.
It's a sturgeon.
It's about the same size, actually a little bit bigger.
It's not ready yet. It's a little bit bigger. Got him? Oh, wow, that's a lot better.
That's a good one.
That's much better, considering.
Well, that's bigger.
That's way better. That's way bigger. All right, second sturgeon of the day. A little nicer than the last one. That one's definitely 40 something.
It is filming?
45, yep. All right. Well, second one of the day, a lot nicer. God, they're cool. He wants to go, he's rearing to go. Look at that.
Nice, man. That's awesome.
That's two.
All right, leave me one.
Man,
right?
yeah, your turn. Fuck, I'll keep my rod out of the water. Jesus.
That's no complaints there.
That one was a lot bigger. That one was probably 45-ish, if I had to guess. I should have brought a measuring tape, but I mean, it's never good to have them out of the water too long. They are endangered. They can live out of the water long, but that's no excuse. Get them back as quick as possible. Still no giant, but we'll take it. Picking up after everyone who can't seem to fucking throw their shit away. I filled this bag in like a minute. That's some bullshit right there. Ooh, ooh.
Big walleye?
Big walleye, I think. You want it?
No, it's all good.
Am I recording? Yeah, I am.
That's gotta be a big walleye. Could be an aggressive sucker.
Oh, dude, it's a big sucker. It's a big sucker. What the hell?
Nice.
Gross. Wasn't I just saying there's like no suckers here?
You want a picture of it or no?
Hell no.
It's still nice though.
Still a nice sucker. Common sucker. I try not to be.
You're good.
Right. Third sturgeon for the day. Cool. Just got done at the river. It was a decent day considering it was kind of my first full day out. No giants obviously, but some proper sized fish. Using night crawlers, ciscos, and minnows, just a combination of the three on catfish rigs and pickerel rigs. Kind of switched halfway through. A lot of snags. But yeah, that's, I'm tired. Long day. Good day, but long day. Good long day. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, if you like the video, feel free to comment. Like it, dislike it, whatever works. And subscribe and hit that bell notification, that really helps. Yeah, hopefully I can get some more of these river videos out. They seem to do well, people seem to like them. River fishing's not my favorite, but you get a little boring at times, but if you guys like it,